Are you ready to set up your professional email address using your domain with Google Workspace? This is one of the best moves you can make for your business, as it gives you the power and reliability of Gmail combined with your custom domain name, which looks way more professional than a generic Gmail address. But here's where people often get stuck. Setting up Google Workspace with your domain involves multiple steps. Here, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step guide to complete the setup with a custom domain. And if you need more help along the way, call our experts at the numbers on the screen to get one-on-one assistance. Alright, let's begin now. Browse the home page of Google Workspace and click on the Pricing tab. On the next page, you should select Start a Trial option under the Starter plan. When you're on the Let's Get Started page, you should enter your business name and number of total employees and then click on Next button. Then fill in the name and email address and click on the Next button once again. If you already have a Google Workspace account, then this page will show up on the screen. Next, you can sign in with your existing account or choose the other option to create a new one by clicking on Create a New Google Workspace Account option. After that, you should choose the Yes, I have the one I can use option. If you do not have a domain, then I recommend you get one first. Also, if you find these steps easy to follow, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now, type your domain name and then click on Continue. Here, you can enter your first email address and password to use for sign-in purposes. After entering the details, simply click on Agree and Continue. Next, you will see the screen to get started with the starter plan. Once you see this screen, you have to set up a payment profile. Click on the Create a New Payment Profile option and fill on the details on Open prompt. After that, you need to select Add Payment Method and enter all the details of your credit or debit card, then click on Save Card. Once that's done, select Agree and Continue. Next, the Add User screen will show up. We are going to skip this for now. When you're on the screen, then select Get Started. Next, choose your domain host. If you do not find yours in the list, then click on the checkbox and then click on Continue. Once you're on the next screen, you need to copy the text of the TXT record. If you're facing any other issues, please write them in the comments. If not, then continue with the further steps. The next step is to log in to your domain register and click on the Advanced DNS option. Now, scroll down and select Add Record and choose TXT from the list. Next, you should type @ in the host section and type the copied value under the value section. Then, click on Add. Move back to your Google Workspace, click on the checkbox, click on Confirm, and then process will be complete. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.